Are you struggling to calculate your ovulation with irregular period? Well, fret not. In this video, I am going to reveal a simple and effective method to help you determine your fertile window, even if your menstrual cycle is irregular. Stay tuned to discover this game-changing technique that will empower you to take control of your reproductive health. Before we get into more detail, let's quickly understand what ovulation is and why it's crucial for women trying to conceive or avoid pregnancy. Ovulation is the process in which a mature egg is released from the ovary, making it available for fertilization. This usually occurs around the midpoint of a woman's menstrual cycle. However, for those with irregular period, identifying this fertile window can be challenging. Step 1. Track your menstrual cycle. The first step in calculating ovulation with irregular period is to closely monitor your menstrual cycle. Keep a record of the start and end date of each period for a few months. By doing this, you can identify the pattern even if it is not consistent. Step 2. Determine the length of your shortest cycle. Among the recorded menstrual cycle, identify the one with the shortest duration. This will serve as a reference point for calculating your potential ovulation days. For example, if your shortest cycle is 26 days, we will base our calculation on this number. Step 3. Determine the length of your longest cycle. Similarly, among the recorded cycle, identify the one with the longest duration. This will help us establish the upper limit for your fertile window. For instance, if your longest cycle is 32 days, we will consider this as a maximum length for ovulation calculation. Step 4. Subtract 18 days from your shortest cycle. Now, subtract 18 days from the length of your shortest cycle. In our example, subtracting 18 days from 26 gives us 8. Step 5. Subtract 11 days from your longest cycle. Next, subtract 11 days from the length of your longest cycle. In our example, subtracting 11 days from 32 gives us 21. Step 6. The fertile window. The resulting number from step 4 and 5, 8 and 12 respectively in our example, represent the range within which your fertile window lies. In this case, your potential ovulation days would fall between the 8th and 21st day of your cycle. It's important to note that this method provides an estimate fertile window and may not be as accurate as other tracking techniques for those with irregular period. Therefore, consider it as a starting point. And if you are actively trying to conceive, it's advisable to use additional methods such as ovulation predictor kits or consulting a healthcare professional. And there you have it, a simple yet effective method to calculate ovulation with irregular period. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding your body's fertility pattern can significantly increase your chances of conception or help you in avoiding pregnancy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. And also, share this video with your friends who might benefit from these tips. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care and stay healthy.